We just down baited the Black River, and me and my brother Sam was going to try to do a little fishing and see how we do. And then this is my brother Sam right here. And I'll get back with you when we get set up. It ain't coming on like it was. We got our poles in the water. We're trying it out. Oh, by the way, we're in Arkansas on Black River. My other brother, he's around the bend right there in the other boat digging shells. And his son. You hitting you? Well, I'm going to pause this video until we start getting bites. I told you there's something hitting it. I think something's getting a bite up there.